Are you seeing the Eutil.dll Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. To begin the walkthrough for Eutil.dll Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Eutil.dll Library, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume software suites to house localized entry point verification and licensing handshakes. If missing, the parent app will demand reactivation or refuse to launch, citing a module initialization failure or a startup process hang. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The Eutil.dll Library DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized application utility system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Eutil.dll Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Eutil.dll Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Eutil.dll Library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Eutil.dll Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.